Okay, good day everyone. I am here to show you on how to run ANOVA in SPSS. So ANOVA is used to determine whether there are any statistically significant differences between the means of two or more independent groups. So as you can see, I opened already this data. Anyways, in ANOVA, there are 6 assumptions. So this data set is, we would like to know if uh, in the coping with workplace stress score is dependent on the physical activity level. So first, here is the data view and your variable view, and we have to check it's nominal here in measure. The role is none. So let's start. Go to analyze and then descriptive is statistics. Then we go to explore. Then for our dependent, we will have this coping with workplace, stress score, and our physical activity is our factor list. Then we have to go to plots. We have to check the normality plots with test and uncheck the stem and leaf. And then we have to continue. And okay. So let's see the box plot. Okay, where is it? We have here the box plot. So as you can see, there were no outliers in the data. So as assessed by this box plot. Then we have this test of normality. Where is it? Hmm. So here the test of normality using the Shapiro-Wilk. So we have to make sure that the sig is greater than, or the p-value is greater than 0.05. So as you can see, it is greater than 0.05. So uh, this uh, the CWWS score was normally distributed for the physical activity level. Then this is based on the Shapiro-Wilk test. Next, we go to click Analyze, then the General Linear Model, and then we'll go to Univariate, and we have to transfer the variables. Then after that, we have to, then we will click the options and check the estimates of effect size in the display area. Then click continue.